So at the equilibrium here, we've got carbon monoxide gas plus H2O gas in equilibrium with CO2 gas and H2 gas. I'm going to set up a nice table to solve this question because we are told that initially CO and H2O are present initially at 0.150 molar. 0, 0. The Lashitai's principle would shift towards the right, minus x plus x, and plus x. This would be 0.150 minus x, 0.150 minus x, x, and x. Let's solve for x using the equilibrium expression here, products over reactants, CO2, H2, CO, and H2O. We're given the case C, the equilibrium constant here is 4.24, and that's equal to x squared over 0.150 minus x squared. Let's solve this for x, which, doing the math here, is going to give us a value of 0.049. So let's take this back to the ice table, because then we can now find out the equilibrium concentrations of all of the species involved. So the equilibrium concentration of CO2, so we want the equilibrium concentration of everything. This is going to be 0.049 molar for CO2. The equilibrium concentration of H2 is also 0.049 molar. The equilibrium concentration of CO and H2O would be 0.150 minus 0.049 to give us 0.101 molar. Oops, sorry. 0.101 molar and 0.101 molar. So there are the equilibrium concentrations of all four species involved in this equilibrium.